Robot Conference is a major global event that brings together the best minds in robotics from around the world. A place where cutting-edge robots, from humanoid assistants to industrial machines, are showcased and experts discuss the future of robotics. It's not just about cool gadgets, it's where innovation meets practicality. At the World Robot Conference 2024 in Beijing, more than 27 different humanoid robots were introduced. The event, which lasted 5 days, brought together over 169 exhibitors, showing off more than 600 cutting-edge products. China is making big moves to surpass Western companies like Tesla in the humanoid robot industry, with strong support from the government. Recently, President Xi Jinping led a committee to boost tech innovation, and China's investments in robotics have hit over 100 billion yuan in the past decade. Let's take a quick look at some of the standout humanoid robots from this year's conference. Stardust Intelligence, a Chinese startup, made headlines in April with the release of their latest creation, the Astrobot S1. This humanoid assistant robot was showcased in a demo video where it effortlessly handled tasks like folding a shirt and pouring wine into a glass, highlighting its impressive dexterity and precision. Fast forward to a recent conference, and Astrobot S1 was at it again, this time stationed at a booth where it captivated attendees by demonstrating its calligraphy skills. Meet Navy AI, a humanoid robot created by the Zhejiang Humanoid Robot Innovation Center in China, made its first public appearance at a Beijing conference. Weighing in at 60 kilograms, Navy AI isn't just your typical robot. It's designed to mimic human behavior in a way that feels almost natural. During its debut, Navi AI showcased an impressive range of abilities, from delivering a speech with surprising ease to preparing a cup of tea and even engaging in a game of chess. The creators of Navi AI have focused on giving the robot a quasi-human nature, blending advanced technology with lifelike interactions. This debut marks a significant step in the development of robots that could one day seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. In the run-up to the conference, a robotics startup called Agobot, based in Shanghai, has unveiled 5 new robots that are designed to make deliveries. What's interesting is that this company was founded by a former Huawei employee, so they've got some serious tech background. They're aiming to have these humanoid robots ready for action by mid-October, with plans to manufacture a large batch of 300 robots. But that's not all. These bots aren't just limited to deliveries. They've also been built to work as salespeople, guide visitors around galleries, and even help pick parts in factories. Agobot is really pushing the boundaries of what these robots can do. Artificial intelligence in robotics has totally transformed how robots work. What once seemed like something out of a sci-fi movie, robots with AI, is now a big part of everyday life and a key marketing trend. Unlike old-school robots, today's AI-powered ones can gather info, learn from it, make decisions, and choose the best actions, making them way more useful and efficient. Moving on, another amazing humanoid introduced was Wanda, UniX AI's latest creation, a dual-arm humanoid robot on wheels designed to make your life easier at home. Need help with chores? Wanda's got you covered from doing the laundry to cooking breakfast. Thanks to its smart tech, Wanda can even recognize stains and handle dishwashing like a pro. And yes, Wanda's cooking skills were on full display at a recent conference, impressing everyone with its kitchen prowess. So Tesla's big robot, Optimus, showed up at the World Robot Conference, but it just sat there doing nothing while people took pictures. Lately, Tesla has started hiring folks to wear motion capture suits and VR headsets to help train the robot. Earlier this year, Elon Musk mentioned that 2 of these robots are already working on their own in a Tesla factory. And in July, he tweeted that Tesla hopes to have these robots in low production next year for their own use, and in high production for other companies by 2026. AI and robots are basically becoming the power couple of the tech world. Whether it's on the factory floor or in a hospital, they're teaming up to shake things up big time. We're talking about a new age where things run smoother, adapt faster, and pretty much take care of themselves. It's like watching a tech rom-com where AI and robots are the stars, and they're totally owning the future together. If you found this video interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more latest news on AI. We'll see you in the next one.